This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Ashley Hiles. This beautiful 3-bed/2-bath patio home is one-level living at its best. The floor plan has a private largemaster suite with huge walk-in closet area. Exceptional great room with dining area. Many upgrades including crown molding, corner fireplace, stamped patio west/retractable sunsetter awning and privacy fence.Community wellness center, playground, indoor and outdoor pools, tennis courts and lake access. Buyer to verify a square foot. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Hiles at 865-687-1111.